In this video, we'll be talking about how the patient can make a payment. The registered email of the patient will receive a payment link as soon as the video consultation has been booked. Now, I will click the email in my inbox and I see that, Dear Amin Kulkarni, your video consultation with specific doctor, test Dr. Amin, has been booked for 12th April at 9 a.m. to 9:15 a.m. So I will now click the Pay Now button present in my email. Please be advised, it will redirect me to a login page. This page is basically a page for secure connections. We click on login. Please click with the user ID. And the password that you have received. Now you will be redirected to this page where you can view the appointments. So if you see here, the appointment schedule states that 9 a.m. to 9:15 a.m. but the video call button is not enabled. So what we'll do is we'll click on the left arrow. Again, this will open up a drop down menu for me. In this menu, in the bottom section, I have pending payments. I click on that. Now if you see, this is the consultation that we are talking about, 12th April 9 a.m. to 9:15 a.m. Status is pending. I click on Pay Now once again. Now the details come once again. Please recheck the details and also check the pricing. So the base price is 50 rupees, discount is 0%, tax is 0%. International patients who are paying in US dollars can use PayPal, and other domestic patients can use CC Avenue. Now I will click Pay for video consultation. Now this is a contact form that you will see. Please enter the address, the PIN code, the city, the email ID and the phone number. These are mandatory fields. Now if you see here on the bottom of the page, there are different options by which somebody can make a payment. There's credit card, debit cards, net banking, cash cards, mobile payments, Paytm as a wallet, other wallets like MobiKwik, Ola Money, Jio Money, Freecharge, and there's UPI. Under UPI also there's PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm, Bheem app, WhatsApp, etc. etc. So right now I will pay through my credit card number. I fill in the necessary fields, that is the card number, the expiry date, the expiry year and the CVV number. And I click on make payment. I get the OTP, I enter the OTP and I click next. It has been done. I also get a receipt and a transaction notification on my registered email ID. Now once the payment has been made, what the patient has to do is minimize the screen and open the Catex Health app. If you are not logged in, please log in with the user ID and password that you have received in your SMS and email, and now open the app. Once you have opened the app, click on My Appointments, and in My Appointments section you will be able to see the name of the doctor the appointment timing, and the video call button is enabled. So as soon as you click this video call button, when the appointment is scheduled, you'll be able to see the doctor and you'll be able to have a conversation with the doctor over the video consultation platform. Thank you.